You can achieve complete clarity on your spending if you have just an extra 5 minutes in your day. All you have to do is follow a simple 3-step process using this Google Sheets tool, which you can get for free using the link below. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. To start, let me show you how this will actually give you clarity. This whole process is just 5 minutes, and you're going to repeat it daily for 1 month. Then at the end, you'll have a full breakdown of all of your spending, both by amount and percentage. Plus, you'll even be able to drill down into a category to see exactly what you spent your money on. Most people never have this clarity and go on guessing what they spent on what, which is a terrible place to be. So why not spend an extra 5 minutes to avoid being so lost? I'd say that's a great idea. So what 3 steps do you need to follow? Well, step number 1 is to download this spreadsheet using the link below if you haven't already. Then, make sure you open it on your computer, and all you need to do is set up the different spending categories. If you like the ones that are already there, great. If not, you can change them to whatever you want, and you can add up to 10. Now, what's great about this first step is that once you have the spreadsheet set up, you're set for the month and you don't have to do this step again. Which brings us to step number 2. What I want you to do here is simply open your calendar and pick a time where you have an extra 5 minutes. 3 good places to look might be right before or after your morning routine, maybe around lunchtime when you have a break, or perhaps right before bed. It's not too hard to add an extra 5-minute habit in one of these places, so once you've decided, add it to your calendar or perhaps add a reminder to your phone. This way, you won't miss it and you'll remember to do it daily. But what exactly are you going to do daily? Well, this is step number 3. For step 3, all you have to do is look at your bank or credit card account, open your spreadsheet, and add your transactions from the previous day. Just note the date, description, and amount, and be sure to assign a specific category to each transaction. That's all there is to it. Once you've added your info, you're done for the day. Just keep this up once a day for 1 month, and at the end, you'll have a crystal clear picture of where you spend your money. And you can even drill down to see all the specific details on every single category. However, getting clarity on your spending is only part of mastering your money. Another big part is actually saving successfully. So, watch this video next where I show you the exact process that I use to plan and reach my savings goals every single year.